Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a REALME C30. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to search for Firefox. Select this app and install it. After installation process is finished, you should be able to open it. Here choose your theme or customize your Firefox browser further by picking your toolbar placement, changing always on privacy settings, synchronizing between other devices by signing up, reading the privacy notice, and lastly start browsing. Set the Firefox as a default browser also. And now let's open any website. And here we can, as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.